Welcome to episode 2 of Path to Billionaire with Jeff. In today's video, I am donating a keyword in the form of a high CPC keyword worth $2,500. For those of you looking to earn money through ads, this one's a goldmine. Have you ever wanted to make money online but didn't know where to start? What if I told you there's a secret keyword that could pay you $2,500 for just one click? Stick around because today, I'm going to reveal a high CPC keyword that could transform your earnings. Let's quickly talk about what a high CPC keyword is. CPC stands for cost per click. It's the amount advertisers pay every time someone clicks on their ad. High CPC keywords are incredibly valuable because they can lead to significant earnings from just a few clicks. Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I find these high CPC keywords without spending hours on research? That's where Finance Cal comes in. Are you ready for the big reveal? The high CPC keyword we're talking about today is Google Enterprise Download. This keyword has a CPC of $2,500. Just imagine, by creating content around Google Enterprise Download, you could earn more from a single click than many people make in a month. Now, let's talk about how you can use this keyword to start making serious money. Here are some fantastic content ideas to get you started with Google Enterprise Download. Step-by-step tutorials. Create easy-to-follow guides on downloading and installing Google Enterprise tools. Detailed tutorials are always popular and helpful. Feature explainers. Dive into the features of Google Enterprise. Show how these features can benefit businesses and boost their productivity. Case studies and success stories. Share stories of businesses that have successfully used Google Enterprise. Highlight the benefits they've seen and the results they've achieved. Comparison videos. Compare Google Enterprise with other enterprise solutions. Discuss the advantages and why it might be the best choice for businesses. Troubleshooting and tips. Address common issues users might face with Google Enterprise. Provide solutions and helpful tips to solve these problems. Every video will include one surprising keyword with high CPC and low competition to help you earn more effortlessly. Your next keyword could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Stay tuned for our next episode, where I'll reveal another high-value keyword that you won't want to miss. Keep hustling and stay tuned for more ways to boost your income with high CPC keywords. I am collecting donation in form of subscribe to fund my next video.